Today our topic is How to Live to be 200. It is written by Stephen Leacock, and it is a fourth chapter of BSc English syllabus, and we will discuss the MCQs of this lesson. A brief introduction about this lesson is that this is satirically humorous essay written by Stephen Leacock. The writer is of the view that life cannot be prolonged by physical exercises and related precautions. So the first question is, who is the writer of the lesson How to Live to be 200? And we have discussed before, it is Stephen Leacock. So the B option is the right answer. What is the name of the character represented by Stephen Leacock in this lesson, that is How to Live to be 200? And the B question is the right one, that is Jiggins. The character name is Jiggins, and the other options that Franz and Mitty, you know that these are the characters of the other lessons, not included in this lesson. Third question is, every morning Jiggins was used to take, C option is the right one, that first cold plunge and then hot sponge. A and B are also right, but both are the right answers. So C is the right option. Jiggins was used to take cold plunge and hose sponge, so that the A is the right option, so that he could open and shut his pores at his will. B and C are not the right option. Fifth question is, before dressing Jiggins used to, A is the right option, that Jiggins used to stand and breathe at an open window for half an hour. B and C are not the right options. Sixth question is, Jiggins was used to breathe at an open window before dressing because he believed it expanded his lungs. B is the right options. A and C are not the right one. हाँ, मतलब वो ये किस समझता था कि इस तरह डीप ब्रीथ से उसके लंग्स हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. Seventh question is, after getting on his undershirt, Jiggins used to, B is the right option, that hitch himself like a dog in harness and do sando exercises. A and C are not the right one. In which ways Jiggins used to do sando exercises? All of the options are the right one. He do sando exercises in forward direction, backward direction, and him side up. All the three options are the right one. According to the writer, Jiggins could have a job as a dog anywhere. तो इतना बेचैन रहता था हर टाइम के वो किसी भी तरह, मतलब उसने इसको रिजेंबल किया कि उसकी जॉब लाइक ए डॉग एनीवेयर. बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. जॉब एज अ डॉक्टर एंड जॉब एज अ टीचर आर नॉट द राइट ऑप्शन. इन हिज स्पेयर टाइम एट ऑफिस Jiggins used to, B is the right option, Jiggins lie on his stomach on the floor. Jiggins used to lie on his stomach at the office because, मतलब वो ये वाली एक्सरसाइज क्यों करता था? बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू सी इफ ही कुड लिफ्ट हिमसेल्फ अप विद हिज नकल्स. मतलब वो ये चेक करता था कि क्या वो इस तरह करने से मतलब एक उसकी बॉडी में कितना स्टेमिना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज यूज्ड टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज. इन द इवनिंग्स इन द रूम्स Jiggins used to, all of the options are the right one. Evening में he was used to lift iron bars, cannonballs, heavy dumbbells, and haul himself up to the ceiling with his teeth. All the options are the right one. Writer says that Jiggins spent half the night, B is the right options, slinging himself around his room. A and C are not the right option. B is the right options. नाइट में वो ये वाली एक्सरसाइज करता था. Jiggins spent half the night slinging himself around his room because he had believed that it made his brain clear. तो उसके हर एक्सरसाइज के पीछे वो उसकी एक थॉट थी, उसका एक बिलीव था कि ये एक्सरसाइज से ये होगा, ये एक्सरसाइज से ये होगा. उस रात से लेके सुबह से लेके रात तक वो कोई ना कोई एक्सरसाइज करता था. According to the writer Stephen Leacock, generation of young men cannot be prevented from following the path of Jiggins because A and B are the right options, because they are ridden by the health mania. They make themselves nuisance. कि वो मतलब यंग जनरेशन को एक्सरसाइजेस का एक जुनून की हद तक शौक है, और वो Jiggins के इस तरह के एक्सरसाइजेस को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करते हैं. Jiggins is a character in, you know that it is a How to Live to be 200. B is the right option. What are the different things Jiggins did to keep himself fit? B and C are not C is the right option, but not all the right explanation is given in this option. So we see that A is the right option. Core plunge, horse plunge, standard exercises, slinging around his room. तो सारी चीज़ें A में प्रेजेंट हैं, B में C में सारी चीज़ें प्रेजेंट नहीं हैं. B and D are the wrong options. What the followers of the Jiggins do before breakfast? All of the options are the right one. They go out in silly little suits and run marathon heats, and they chase around barefoot to get the dew on their feet. They hunt for ozone, and all of the above options are the right. Which of the following food is usually avoided by the people who are health conscious? B is the right options. Huckleberry pie and donuts. मतलब ये चीज़ें हैं जो कि people usually avoid करते हैं, जो कि health conscious होते हैं. The meaning of stagger is it is a D option, that is walk unsteadily. A, B and C are not the right one. At which time the followers of Jiggins get up? It is A options, at impossible hours. किसी भी टाइम पे जो कि आम लोगों के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता वो इम्पॉसिबल आवर्स में उठ जाते. The followers of Jiggins would not eat meat because they believe that it has too much nitrogen. B is the right option. The essay How to Live to be 200 is B is the right option, is an ironic and humorous comment on the health mania of modern day man. First option, that a parody on the people who are not health conscious is the wrong one. इसमें हेल्थ कॉन्शियस के बारे में बताया गया है. सी अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस टू द यंग जनरेशन टू कीप देयर बॉडीज फिट. नहीं, उसमें राइटर कहता है कि इतनी एक्सरसाइजेस की लाइफ में ज़रूरत नहीं होती. डी दैट एन आयरनिक एंड ह्यूमरस कमेंट ऑन द हेल्थ मैनिया ऑफ द ओल्ड फैशन मैन. ओल्ड फैशन मैन के बारे में नहीं बताया गया. बेसिकली इट इज़ द हेल्थ मैनिया ऑफ द मॉडर्न डे मैन. Writer says if you want to be really old, then you should get up in the morning at a sensible hour. मतलब writer के लिए accordingly A is the right option. Silly little sweets refer to, ये लफ्ज़ इस ऐसे में कहाँ क्यों यूज़ किया गया? It refers to special clothes पे those are strange to look. B is the right option. For long-aged writers of the view that A and B are the right options, I think A में आना चाहिए drop all that hot bath nonsense and B just continue cold bath. मेरे ख्याल में then A and B will be the right option. So A में हमारे पास hot bath nonsense आएगा cold की जगह. 27th question is about bacilli. The writer is of the view that it is a bacilli is perfectly quiet and harmless if you are not afraid of it. And B and C and D are not the right option. A is the right option according to writer के लोग खाम में बेसिलाई से डरते हैं. ये बिल्कुल खामोश किस्म का जरासीम जर्म है और बिल्कुल नुकसानदेह नहीं है अगर आप इसे डरे ना तो. The writer conveys which of the following message? B is the right option. Message is that people don't live long in spite of all the efforts. According to Stephen Leacock, what are the reasons behind cholera and diphtheria? A is the right option, that cholera is caused by frightful pain in the stomach and diphtheria is caused by trying to cure a sore throat. Writer के accordingly basically ये दो जो diseases हैं उनकी वजूहात ये हैं. मतलब कोई जर्म्स नहीं है, कोई बेसिलाई इसके पीछे नहीं है. बेसिकली ये इसकी वजूहात में एक स्टमक पेन है और सोर थ्रोट है. Writer says about eating that eat too much what you want. मतलब वो कहता है कि जितना आप चाहते हैं खाएं. Eat little is not the right option and C is also the wrong one. A is the right option. What is the Leacock's advice regarding one's food habits? B is the right option. That advice is that eating according to one's wishes. जितना वो चाहते हैं बंदा उतना ही खाए. Which statement is right about writer's thought? A is the right option. If you cannot pay for eating, then you should not eat. A is the right option. मतलब अगर आपके पास पैसे हैं तो आप बेशक जितना मर्जी खाएं, लेकिन अगर पैसे नहीं हैं तो आप मत खाएं. According to the writer, how can we get starch? A is the right option. Go to laundry and get a bag of starch. B and C are the wrong one. Why nitrogen, phosphorus and albumin is not present in the ordinary eatables? A is the right options. That according to Stephen Leacock, he says that all that sort of stuff is washed out in the kitchen sink before the food is put on the table. That's why nitrogen, phosphorus and albumin is not present in the ordinary eatables. Which of the following is the order of activities that are done by the Jiggans? Order of activities: A is the right option. That first he was used to take cold plunge, then hot plunge, and then breathing at the window. B, C and D are not the right orders. In the essay How to Live to be 200, the writer advises people not to get scared off. D is the right option, that is germs and bacilli. Stephen E. Cook was a well-known author and humorist from Canada. Basically he was belong to Canada. How did Jiggans die? A is the right option, that is heavy exercises. And राइटर ये बताना चाह रहा है कि डिस्पाइट ऑफ हैवी एक्सरसाइजेज, सुबह से लेकर रात तक वो डिफरेंट किस्म की एक्सरसाइजेज करता था, लेकिन फिर भी वो अर्ली एज में उसकी डेथ हो गई. ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन. So students, give your feedback in the comment section below, and if you like my video you can subscribe my channel as well.